Hey everybody, it's a mobile home mama and Brittany.
Hello.
We're here in the Lemon's master bathroom and we're both so impressed with what she did here. So lots of things to talk about. Let's see, let's start here where Brittany's at. She's in the master bedroom. This is actually the master bedroom closet. So lots of space in here. I'm really impressed with the space in this master bath. Here we put a can light in there. I'm so impressed with this.
Yeah, it's huge.
Private commode. So you got your own room to do your business in. There's that lighted bath fan that we must have. And then check this linen out.
Huge.
Lots of, yeah, really great. Lots of storage there for towels, sheets, whatever. For me and Brittany, it would be hair products.
Yeah.
She kept a tub shower combination 60-inch fiberglass shroud here. She added a 8x30 transom window at the top just to let some natural light in. And then she did change out this vanity to a 2-sink vanity, right, Britt?
Mm-hmm.
And then remember we talked about the trimmed out mirrors we're going on here. We have the 3-bulb light strips above, so her and her beau can be there brushing their teeth together, and lots of lights. So here we are in the Barton master bath. See you in a minute.